Hi, today we're going to learn more about how you can set up a free shipping bar inside of AI Trillion. First, log into AI Trillion and in the left-hand side navigation bar, go to the announcement bar section. Then click on Dashboard. Once you're in the announcement bar dashboard, ensure that the app status is turned on and then click on Create New. In the Create New section, choose Sales Motivator Bar and call it whatever you wish to. In this example, I'll call it Shipping 123. Click Save. As soon as you click on Save, what is going to happen is it's going to open up the Shipping 123 bar configuration page that you just selected. You can select a template of your choice, any one. So let's say I'll select maybe this one. Then I can go to Content. You have a choice of your message, so you can choose your message and your goal. So let's say free shipping over, I want to offer $250. You can add a button. Let's say click here. If you need a button, if you don't want one, you don't need to add. So I'll add a button, click here, and you can let that button take you to a custom URL that gives details of your free shipping option. So I'll call it www.aitrillion.com. You can take it to whichever page you need to. Then you have a before the balance and after the balance message. So let's say you are so many dollars far from free shipping. So you could say you are, let's say, far from, you can call it, instead of saying free shipping, you can say you are so many far from a free, from, let's say, completely free shipping. And then you can take it to currency name, currency symbol, and then of course goal achieved message. You can put in congratulations, you've got a free shipping code, and then here you put in a discount code that you would have generated from Shopify. Once you have set up these options in the content, you can go to design and you can choose a background color for the bar. So let's say any color that you wish to. You can choose a background color for the text. Could be any color, again, any color that you wish to. Font, you want a bold font or a normal font or a lighter font. Font size, whether you want it center, left, right. Again, the button color. So you have your choices of button color. And then the font family, which you can use to match your site. In fact, all of these options, whether the bar style, button style, colors, anything can be used to match your site. You can use the bar width, padding, anything. So let's say as far as the designs that I have in mind, I want to use the Chewy font or maybe the Hanley. You have all of these options. Once you're done with design options, you can go to behavior, where you can choose whether you want a marquee text alternating, marquee text circular. You don't want any header, marquee. You can choose where you want the bar to display, whether it will be the top or the bottom. You can choose a display on page, whether you want this bar that you've designed over here to be only on the home page. You want it on a specific page with URL, which you can enter over here. So if you want it specifically on a particular page, you can do that. Or you can also choose, if you go to the page with URL section, instead of auto inject, if you don't have the URL or you want it on a couple of pages, you can use the shortcode. So click on the shortcode, and then on the top here, you see the embed code button. Click on the embed code, copy this code to the clipboard, and you can put this code into any page where you want the bar to be displayed. For this example, I'm going to use auto inject. I'm going to keep the home page. In fact, I'm going to keep all pages. I'm going to use the sticky bar and scroll and hide it on mobile. I want the cancel item on the bar if you want. In my case, I don't. And you can schedule the bar to appear only at a particular date or time. Remember, if you schedule something, it'll only appear in this time, not before, not after. So in my case, I don't want to schedule it. I am going to save it on the top here. And that's it. My bar is ready for appearing. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.